Want to start reading books but don't know how to stick with it? Maybe you've tried before but it felt boring, or you gave up after 2 days because it wasn't enjoyable. Sound familiar? Let me guess. You've seen posts on Instagram about how reading improves focus, expands knowledge, reduces stress, and boosts creativity. You want those benefits, but when you've tried reading in the past, it just didn't click. Why? Because you didn't enjoy it enough to keep going, and that's okay. Here's the good news. It's not too late to start again. This time, you just need a smarter approach. Most people make the mistake of picking up thick, complex books right away, thinking they'll gain tons of wisdom. But let's be real. Diving into dense novels or philosophical texts as a beginner is like starting a video game on the hardest level. Sure, the pros love it, but they've practiced for years. You're just starting out, and that's perfectly fine. Let me share a personal story. When I first decided to start reading, I picked up a book called How to Read a Book by Mortimer J. Adler. The title intrigued me. It sounded like the perfect guide for a beginner. But I quickly realized it wasn't for me. The book was filled with detailed explanations and abstract concepts, written in a formal tone that felt overwhelming. I barely made it past a few pages before putting it down, feeling frustrated and unmotivated. In hindsight, I'd chosen the wrong book for my level. I wanted to read, but I needed something simpler to ease into the habit. Here's the secret. Start small. Pick a light, beginner-friendly book on a topic you're genuinely curious about. For example, when I started reading again, I chose The Art of Laziness. It's short, only about 80 pages, easy to read, and straight to the point. It made me feel productive without overwhelming me. And guess what? I actually enjoyed it. There are plenty of books like this. Think about what excites you, whether it's productivity, self-improvement, or even fiction, and find an easy read on that topic. Curiosity is your best ally. When you're genuinely interested, reading stops feeling like a chore and becomes something you look forward to. It's not about forcing yourself to read, it's about making reading enjoyable. So start small, choose curiosity, and watch as you gradually build a reading habit that sticks. It's simpler than you think. If this helped you or inspired you to pick up a book, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and ideas to improve your life.